You used to normally go on Amazon and search up this exact lens, it'll be $1,000. But now that your boy Flashy taught you about this, it's $500. Like this video right now. If this don't deserve a like, I don't know what does. We gonna get 200 likes in this video. I don't care. 200 likes. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flashy back with another video, y'all. And today, guys, I got something to show y'all about Amazon. Yes, guys, you guys can buy used things off of Amazon. This stuff is crazy. Let me go show y'all real quick, y'all. You can buy smartphones, you can buy tablets, AirPods, anything you want. And I'm about to show y'all right now where and how you guys can do this. Let's go on the video. Alright, YouTube, so right now I'm gonna show you guys, as you guys can see, I'm on Amazon. You know, we're gonna show you guys how to get these used things on Amazon that nobody knows about. Guys, I'm not gonna cap, my mom showed me this. Alright, I didn't know about this. I'm gonna post a TikTok about this because this is about to go viral. You know, who would have thought you get used things on Amazon, right? I didn't know. I don't know if y'all knew, but I didn't know. But look, so what you want to do, right, is you want to scroll all the way down, right? Scroll all the way down, right? Normally, guys, you think this is the end of the page, you feel me? I would think this is the end of the page, you know? Like, this is the end of the page, you see all this stuff, little tiny words, alright, it's the end of the page, scroll back up. But no, there's more, bro. Scroll down some more, and there's smaller letters than that. You can hardly read this. You can literally hardly read this, can't you? Like, I know you can hardly read this. But yeah, anyways, so once you scroll down some more, now you click on Amazon Renew, this link right here, right? We're gonna drag the link actually to come back just in case I need to. So we're gonna drag in. Boom. When you get here, it gets you a whole category. You need a phone, a computer, kitchen things, tools. No one knows about this. You know why nobody knows about this? Because people think this is the end of the page on Amazon when there's actually more. I would have never thought to scroll even more down from this. Like, it's no reason to scroll down, right? My mom was just on Amazon. She just clicked this. I don't know why, but and she was like, "Oh my gosh, Zion, look at this." And I was like, "All right, bet." And it's used things on Amazon. Like, look, all right. For instance, a lot of you guys are gamers. Like, go in the gaming community, right? Let's go in the gaming thing. Like, these are things. All right, it's a lot cheaper things here too. Like, normally what these things are is these things are things that people buy off Amazon and they return it. Now, sometimes it could be something brand new. Sometimes it could be someone like sometimes it could be a simple mistake of someone got the wrong thing, you know, and they return it back to Amazon. Amazon can't resell the things that they sold brand new because it's technically used, you know. But most of these things are most of these things are just new. Like, people just got the wrong thing by accident and they returned it. So iPhone 11, I know when I bought it was like $1,000, $800. Here, let's go down. An iPhone XS is $300. What? Last year, like a year, 2 years ago, that was like $1,000. You can buy for $351, and you get Amazon Prime 2-day shipping. Bro, come on now. Come on now. Look at these used deals. If you're an Android person, I don't know what Androids are good, but this one's $100, and it tells you the prices they were. So like, oh, it doesn't say for this one, for these iPhones, but for most of them, it says that the prices that they were, like an XS Max for $500. That's about the same price. I'm not gonna cap, but a lot of these phones, you get a lot of good deals, bro. And I just want to make this YouTube video just to show you guys this, because I just saw this, bro, and no one knows about these things. Like, who would have thought you could look the Samsung Galaxy S9? Look at this. Original price $500, right? Or not $500. All right, $434, right? Now it's $179. What? I'm trying to help y'all. This is one of my YouTube videos that I don't do often. Actually, I've never did it before. This is my first tips and tricks YouTube video. So if y'all want some more flashy tips and tricks, like and subscribe. You feel me? And yeah, but hey, I'm just showing y'all, like, that's just one of the categories, bro. We just looking at the phones. Like, they got so much more things. Like, cameras, right? I have a camera. Okay, some things might be close to regular price. Like, some things, like, listen, first of all these things are like All of these are cheap, bro. I'm not gonna say they're cheap. I'm not saying any of these things are cheap. I'm saying they're cheaper from the original price, and people don't know that. Look at this lens, right? It goes for $1,000. Y'all see that? $1,000, 1K, right? Look at it now. Look, $500. All right, let's just say $600. $600. $400 off. $400 off. That's $400 off your order. Just by now, if you was to normally go on Amazon and search up this exact lens, it'll be $1,000. But now that your boy Flashy taught you about this, it's $500. Like this video right now. If this don't deserve a like, I don't know what does. We gonna get 200 likes on this video. I don't care. 200 likes. I want as much views as likes on this video. I don't care. I'm saving y'all money. Alright, I'm helping y'all out. Look at this stuff, bro. Look at it. I don't know what the hell this is, but $1,600. Guess what? Now it's $1,000. Your boy Flashy got you, bro. Your boy Flashy got you, bro. Let's go to headphones. Let's go to headphones. Boom! Look at this deal. I don't wear Android products like that. I will wear AirPods. But if you an Android guy, you got an Android. You don't have an iPhone. If you prefer Android products, right here, a Sony WF-1000 XM3 True Wireless Bluetooth Noise Canceling ear headphones, black renewed. Look at that, $79, bro. What was the original price? $200. Like this video right now. Like this freaking video right now. Like this video right now. I don't even think I gotta say nothing else. I think we could just end the video. So I'm gonna end the video now. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know it's your boy Flashy, the one who just saved y'all hella money. Like and subscribe. And let's end this video. Let's get it.